Hey guys, how you doing? It's Husta in Just a Plant Room. So, I don't know if you could see me behind all the foliage. Today I wanted to share with you 6 of my favorite plants for this month. My husband just made a face because it was supposed to be 5, but it's 6. I snuck one in. But bear with me, you'll see why. If you like this type of content, stick around. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. You know I had to include at least one Hoya. At least one. And the only reason this one is included is because she's flowering. Look guys, look. She's got flowers. And she's got peduncles everywhere. I know this may sound crazy, but it's the first time a Hoya has flowered for me, and I've got a ton of Hoyas. So this is a Betonii. I think this is the SPAFF. But yeah, she's full of peduncles, and I just had to show her off because I don't know when I'll get this again. And the flowers are, well, this bloom is spent, but this one's fresh, and it's got the nectar on it and stuff. So I thought that's real cool. She's been making me smile for a little while now. Okay. And then I want to show you this guy. So she gets longer and longer and longer. Look at her. Look at those vines. My little string of hearts. She was so tiny, and she's just, it's like, oh my goodness. I will say this though. It's difficult to keep her from getting tangled, and every time I take her down to water her, it's just a hot mess, but even still, I love her the same. Okay. And as you can see, it's a mishmash of different types of plants. So I'm gonna go here. Look at her. So I bought this without the spike and without the bloom. Let me turn this guy around so you can get a better look. And she flowered for me. She spiked and flowered. Now I've just recently gotten into orchids. I think I have maybe about 6, 7 of them. But out of all of them, she's my favorite right now. Look at those pretty flowers. She's just, I don't know, she's adorable because she's so tiny. So I'm going to move her out the way so we could talk about the big boys. All right, so this is my Lamii. And for those of you that are not familiar with this plant, it is a crawler. I'm trying to turn her around so you can see this new, let me put this one down. Yeah, that'll work. So you could see the new leaf. Look at that. They come out orange and then they fade to this green. So I've had this plant, I want to say, since October of last year. And she came with these 3 leaves. These 2 are the ones that she's put out in my care. Super easy to care for. I water her maybe, I don't know, once a week, depending on how dry the medium is. And she lives on top of the cabinet over there. But look at that leaf. It isn't even finished unfurling yet, but it's so pretty. So yeah, I had to share that one with you. And then moving her out the way, this Patricia. So this is her latest leaf. Look at that, and it's not even hard yet. I know she's got some brown spots, but I think that was while she was trying to get used to her new environment, because she put out this leaf in my care, this leaf in my care, and she came with the other ones. So super happy with this one. Isn't that gorgeous? I wonder how long it's gonna get, because that's just, it's amazing. Pretty soon she'll have to come out of the cabinet because she's just getting too tall. I'm actually gonna put her on a pole, and she's gonna have to acclimate to the humidity within the plant room. And then the last one I have, and I told you it was a mixed bash of stuff. This Staghorn. So I bought this on the clearance rack at Lowe's last year. She was half dying, not looking good at all. And look at her now. And every time I look at her, I can't believe she's the same plant I brought. She's got spikes coming out everywhere, and she's put out some down up in here, out the side of the box. And she continues to try to grow new fronds. So yeah, and you know, for those of us that find ferns a little difficult, this one's kind of easy. It's kind of like the kangaroo paw I showed you a few videos back. This one gives you that jungle vibe, and she's super easy to care for. Just bright and direct light. And those are my quick little 6 plants for the month of March. I know you have some favorites too. Let's talk about it. Tell me which ones got your heart this month. Don't forget, if you love this type of content, like, subscribe, and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.